that you were there with Kid to pee. Like how?
There was no intention.
What was being whispered?
I can't remember.
I'll tell you,
You
kiss
told
in
me
the
I
presence
can
of everybody.
never ever
Bruh, I'm not
lie.
Yes, so Katrina is here again. Katrina has come out to attack Nengi, Nengi and Kid Wire on top of Ozo Wahala. All this three ship, Nengi, Nengi, Kid Wire, Ozo. Here's Katrina saying that I caught you in the bedroom. What were you doing in the bedroom with Kid Wire? And you went to Ozo and told him that he only accompanied you to pee. Wahala deo. Auntie Katrina, please, can you tell us your problem in another person's tea? You are just coming to pepper and put sugar inside someone's. When it was your own turn, you could not say anything. Yeah, this is going to be an highlight. This is an highlight of what's going to happen in your episode 5, in your day 5, number 5 of the BB Naija reunion show. Let's see what Nengi has to say. Let's see what Nengi has to tell us as regards she and Kid Wire in the bedroom together. Here is Katrina not accepting to the fact that Kid Wire just accompanied Nengi to pee that night, that he had more to do in the bedroom. And here she is like, also was lied to by Nengi that Kid Wire just accompanied her to pee. Okay, let's wait. The house is on fire. Anticipate. Yeah, Keisha, I knew. I won't have you lie. I can't lie. Me myself, I never get time, but I know say na bass boost. You remember in my last episode, I told you that Tolani Badge told Neo that he was leading Keisha on. Keisha now is on set and now telling Neo, I would not lie to you. Here's Neo telling her, calm down. Guys, the fire is hot. You don't feel it? Yeah. Are you feeling it the way I'm feeling it? Please don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel. Your number one favorite YouTube channel. Naija News and Entertainment, where we give you spicy G's seriously on the happenings in Naija as they hot. Please, if you've not subscribed, turn on your subscribe. Just press subscribe. It's not hard now. It's free of charge. Turn on your notification bell so that as you're dropping in new videos, you're getting alerts and you're watching. Please like our videos, comment down below. Stay tuned with me. Bye.